This is the lesson 2 of Level 4. Learning new words. To attend. To quit. To cut. To learn. To improve. To doubt. To take over. To prove. How long? What do you mean? To get over. To get along. To praise. To miss. Classmate. Self-taught. Boring. Without. To show. Eggpan. Therefore. Capable. Just great. Topics. Outstanding. Filthy. To wash. Useless.
Conversation 1.
How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying for about 2 years.
Did you go to any school?
Yes, I did, but now I'm learning by myself.
What do you mean by myself?
It means I'm not attending any school. I don't have a teacher.
Isn't it boring to study without a teacher?
Of course it is. I sometimes miss my classmate.
Why did you quit your class at school?
Because my father cut himself in his job. Therefore, I have to take him over while he is getting over.
Conversation 2.
How are you getting along in your English class?
Just great. I'm improving a lot.
We are progressing too. Our teacher is an outstanding lady. She is self-taught.
What do you mean by self-taught?
It means she learned by herself.
Is she a capable teacher?
Yes, she's the best teacher I ever had.
I doubt she's so good.
All right, you just go to my school and prove it yourself.
Dialogue 1.
Darling, you didn't wash my black shirt, and you knew I need it today.
I'm very tired. Why don't you wash it yourself?
Dialogue 2.
Dad, help me with my homework.
I don't have time now. Tell Billy to help you.
He can't. He's learning how to drive by himself.
Then, you have to do it yourself. Dialogue 3.
Mom, I'm terribly hungry.
What can I do for you?
I want to eat some eggs.
Don't be useless. Just put it in the egg pan. It cooks itself.
Answer these questions. 1. How long has Jennifer been studying English? 2. Did she go to any school? 3. Is she learning by herself? 4. Do you study by yourself? 5. Why did she quit class? 6. How is Linda getting along in her class? 7. How are you getting along in your class? 8. Is the teacher of Lewis outstanding? 9. Is she a self-taught? 10. What does a self-taught mean?
Translate into English. Read in English and translate. John Kennedy was born in the United States of America, specifically in Boston. He was President of the Republic and the first Catholic president. For some, he was a good president, and for some, he was one of the worst. Kennedy was assassinated on November 23, 1963 in Dallas. The day of his death, he was accompanied by his beautiful wife, Jacqueline Kennedy. Nowadays, the United States celebrates Kennedy Day with parties and activities.
Read in English and translate. I always kiss her when she arrives. Will turn off the TV and you go to bed. The police will arrest him when he comes.
Answer those questions. How are you getting along in your French classes? Are you progressing in your English math? Do you have a capable teacher? Why?
Translate into Spanish.
Mommy, I have something to tell you. Listen to me. I'm going to learn Greek. I talked to my father, and he told that it was a good idea. I promise you I'm going to speak it perfectly. Besides, all my friends are studying language, and I'm not going to stay behind. It's going to be wonderful to learn Greek.
Simple grammar, reflexive emphatic pronus.
I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, they, themselves. Expressions to learn.
1. Tell me all about it. 2. How much longer? 3. You lied to me. 4. I'm smelling rats. Something to remember. I missed the plane.